Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. As a heads up, Apex just announced their biggest sale ever. I'll tell you a little bit more about that at the end of this video, so stay tuned. But for now, let's look at these indexes, do a little index check as we close out 2024 in a very weak sauce kind of way. So we can see this is the micro Dow, and these targets were what I set on Friday. Well, we absolutely took this one out. So congrats to all of you who were short. We cruised all the way down almost to target two. We did have quite a bit of recovery earlier today. This is just the evening session that has started, so don't worry about that one. Let's take a look at the micro S&P. Same situation. We took out that short target. We are in the cloud though on this one. We were below the cloud on the Dow. So we'll have to wait and see what this one does, if it's going to go back out above the cloud or below the cloud. The Nasdaq, man, that was brutal this morning, but again, a fairly nice recovery. We did not come even close to the cloud. So this one is still fairly strong, even though some of those tech stocks were struggling earlier today. We did take out that first target though. So again, congrats to you all if you took the trade. And whew, this Russell is just not looking so hot. We took out target one. We almost made it to target two. And then just like the others, had quite a bit of recovery. Now let's talk about this amazing Apex sale. Heads up, my friends, Apex Trader Funding just announced their biggest sale ever. And the reason that it is the biggest sale they've ever had, yes, they have had 90% off in the past, but not like this. Check this out. This is a 300K account. This is the biggest account that they offer. It is now on sale for the same price as the 50K account, which is $167. Then when you take the 90% off of that, it's $16.70. That's crazy. And then I was looking at this because I was like, wait, is it going to be a very high recurring fee? Nope. It's only $33.40 going forward. That is awesome. So if you have some 2025 goals based on getting funded or getting payouts from your funded accounts, this is the place and the time to begin. There's a link and coupon code for you down below. As always, if you have any questions about this process, don't hesitate to reach out and ask. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.